Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you how to make your own Fortnite cinematic video. So what we're gonna do first is find Bandicam, search it down like this, what I did, and you go to the first one and download the free software, the free download, because you're gonna have a 15 minutes max recording, and you're gonna have a bandicam.com watermark on top middle, so you can still record, you know, once your 15 minutes finish you can record again. I got the full version right here, and you have the screen and the gamepad, and the screen records the screen. You can change the resolution or the size, and that one, the gamepad records in game. So let's go to the replay. So yep, I'm in the replay, and on your top left you're gonna see 8 frames, color green, but yeah, definitely. So we're gonna have to find this, you know, find your replay that you wanted, and we have to, maybe I'll click the first one, literally. Here you go, and it's gonna go really quick, and here we go. So what you have here on the bottom is you get your all, you know, time frames, all the settings down here, and yeah, the camera controls down here as well too. You can change it at your will, but right now I'm going third person. Hold left and just drag around the camera and zoom in, and I like to zoom into John Wick's face, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and definitely just move it around and around. Just right now I'm gonna change it to drone free, and Q and E I think to change the height, and I think Q is down, E up. So I'm just gonna go zoom in, change right here, and I think that'll be good. That's recorded, and maybe we change to another location. Bam, that's good, Bambi. And we move somewhere around here. I got this technique, you gotta hold left click and just, you know, move your camera, your mouse around, and it had this shaky effect. It's cool. And bam, and Bambi. And let's go down and change. Once you record everything you need, that's all the basic stuff you should need at the moment. And yeah, and I recorded it. Bam, we got go to documents and go to Bandicam and find the video clip that you recorded already in the replay. We don't want to use everything, we just want to use the, you know, the clips, small clips of it. So what we're gonna do is drag it to your free software. Everyone has it, Movie Maker, of course. That's my favorite jam where I put clips together. So let's skip. So what you're gonna do is, if you find the clips that we have started, I would like to start somewhere. No, probably not. I should somewhere around here, play it here, and I believe, yeah, this is like maybe a good spot, like, you know, where you zoom into the face that I did before. So I split that, go to video tools, split, and delete the first one. You don't need that, and literally just go right here. I don't like that one, so move back a little bit and start point. It'll just start and cut it. So I added some music for, you know, for extra vibe, you know. So added some extra vibe on it, and just move it around. You don't want the time frame to be shown in there. Just go to video tool, split it, and move to your next point of frames, and you go down to that frames right here. Yeah, check it out. And I'll probably split it here. Bam, and probably delete that. And here we go. See, but that went kind of long, so I think I might have to split that in here, and yeah, I want to skip that, and it goes straight to the next point, and I might have to split it here and delete that as well too. And now you get your small clips, and I think that's all I need. Change it to 1 normal speed, I guess. 1's normal speed, and split it. And next clip, I don't have a good video in this one, but I do have a other recording, so I might have to yeah, I do have some other recordings on replay, so I might have to use that one. So yeah, I'll be right back. And we go to Bandicam and find my recording. Choose one. It's gonna take a while because it's gonna load. So what we're gonna do is go home, select title right before here, and I don't want the text though. I just want the blackness. I delete the text and that, and I go to video tools and put the blackness goes to 1 second. So I just want to go it really quick. Okay, was it 1 second? I'm not sure. It's so blurry. Never mind. And you want to go to visual effects on this right before the black one, and just go to fade smoothly, just go black. So we go 1 second on that one. So right now I want you to download Hitfilm. It's a free editing software alternative to Sony Vegas, Adobe. It's a free one, but you can buy it as well too for professional use. But we're just gonna use the free one because I don't have the money for it because I'm broke, man. Okay, just what you do is go to menu, Hitfilm, click Hitfilm Express. It's really good software. So what you're gonna do is let's do this, and you get Hitfilm Express free. And there's some options that you want to share it before you download it. So what I share it's on Google Plus. That's where I share mine. So literally, it's really awesome, good software. So I think we're done here uploading, and my extra clip. See, I was gonna check how transition that was. You go to visual effects, right? Just go find that blackness where I click. And this one I'm just gonna move the frames to, I think there was a blur part. Yes, that's it. And I press start there, start point. Let's go skip. Go skip there. Come on, man. And I would split it here. And yeah, everything, I just put all the clips together now, so I'll skip all the parts that I don't want to go painstakingly because this can go really long. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like for a free Bandicam. Like, I think it was tutorial. Not tutorial. I mean, yeah, this is how, like, the free Bandicam, you get the watermarks on top. I'm just gonna demonstrate how it looks like and how to actually cover it. And that's where Hitfilm comes to play. So here you go to save movie, and just go high definition and save your video. Just put a name, any name, and save it, and pow. And I'll play it. If you want to check the video, you can check it, but I'm not really want to show you everything, so I'll show you a little bit. Once you downloaded Hitfilm, just go open and press new project and start editing. See what I got the settings here. Always, and maybe double check if just use the settings, that one. And then find your file, the save video from your movie maker, and I think I named it tutorial. Just drag it down here on this one, on your media, on your Hitfilm, and then drag this keyframe because you don't want to there, because it's, if the video finish, it goes really black all the way to the end. You just want it to fit to your video, so it'll finish straight away there. So what we're gonna do is, this is one, letterbox. Here we go. Letterbox is, it's a good thing to use to cover the watermark on your Bandicam. See how I cover the Bandicam on top? That's what I used to do, because since when I got the free Bandicam, I just covered the Bandicam watermark, and it just looks cinematic, So letterbox, you see Bandicam's now covered, so I just want to add some flavors to it. So I will go put maybe color temperature, and then maybe contrast and brightness, and then I'll drag everything, just play around on Hitfilm. It's very good. So what you do now is, and I'll go contrast and brightness. Where was it? Auto color, maybe? Yeah, that one. There you go. Let's just go the preset. Yeah, I guess we can roll with that. Yeah, we can roll with that. And I got some other effects on Hitfilm that we can use, but I'll just skip for now and go down to export and start exporting. Follow where I click, just literally, and then you finish, and then the video starts, and this is the previews. And I think I'll see you around, guys. Till the next time, peace.